Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ira, and in this video I'm going to show you what's in my bag. So let's start. So this is the bag. It's from a brand called Zook. So they sent this bag to me. Now Zook is a proudly Indian brand which is vegan, cruelty free, and the leather they use is also vegan, so that is great. It's a beautiful paisley print bag. I love the color of it, and it can actually go with both Indian and Western. I'll show you just in a bit how I styled it with a gorgeous sari. So to start with, when you open the zip, you can feel how strong the zip is, which is very good, especially I like it that way. So this is how I have organized my bag. There's a lot of stuff. The holding capacity is great, which is something that I like. So the first thing is in my bag is my house keys, very important and obvious. And then the next thing is my car keys. Next up is some mint. And then I have my phone here. So you can see there are the separate compartments. So here's a compartment to keep your phone, which keeps things very organized. Also then there are two holders for pen. So here's a pen in here. And then I have some candy. So I really like these pen holders because in case you have to sign something immediately or any meeting, and also the phone holder, you can just you know where to put your hand and pick it out. And then I have my water bottle. Then I have some perfume, hand sanitizer, my hand cream. Then I have my notepad. Again I have my earphones holder, and then I have a little makeup bag. And then I have my wallet. And then I have my iPad. And I have my laptop. And I also have my laptop charger in here. And as you could have seen, or you would have already noticed, that there was still a lot of space after keeping all this in the bag. That's how the bag is. It's very, very spacious, and they have compartments. There's a laptop sleeve in here, and you can just put your laptop, and all the other stuff can go in here. I like the detailing of this belt, kind of a detailing on the side. So this is the first bag that they sent me. It's an office bag, but also on their websites they have a lot of other cool stuff. So they also sent me this really cool sling bag, which I think goes great with Indo-Western, Indian, or even Western. So again, the zip quality is great. So this is a very big criteria for me. I really like my zips to be strong and to be able to hold the bag and all the stuff that I put inside. And you can see there's a lot of space in here because of the design, since it's designed like this. So it has a lot of holding capacity here, and then you have a little zipper inside, and it's not so little actually. It's all across the length of the bag. So there's a zipper in here, and then there's a zipper outside as well. So maybe for the quick coins. Yes, that's it. You can wear it as a crossbody bag or a side bag. I'll show you how I styled it right in the picture now. And lastly, they send me this wallet. This is also paisley print wallet, like the office bag. So on this side you have a button, and when you open it you have this space to keep your cash. And then here there are some sleeves to keep your cards and identity proofs and all of other things. And then on the back side you also have a zip in case you want to keep your coins or anything else. So yeah, this is a really good, cool bag. I love the prints. They are really unique and very Indian. Also, it's PETA approved. The brand is PETA approved. It's cruelty free. When I came across this brand, I was like, wow, that's something nice. But when I actually saw their products, they are really nice, very sturdy. I'm yet to use them for some months, but look wise, feel wise, and also the quality wise, they look really, really great. I'll show you some of the styling videos. I like to style this bag specifically with my belt. So I just put this part inside my belt and hold it as a waist bag, and it looks really cute and cool. And hey, don't forget to use my coupon code YTERA15 to get a 15% off on any of the products all across the website. I'll also put the details of the coupon code and the website down in the description below. I hope you guys like this video and the styling. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Till the next time, bye bye.